Hi children, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with some new problems for class 9th. From your chapter, Factorizing a Polynomial. From your chapter, Factorizing a Polynomial. And from your textbook, page number 56. Do these. Under the chapter, do these. So the first sum reads like this. Factorize the following. 6x square plus 19x plus 15. What is the sum? 6x square plus 19x plus 15. So what we should do first, we should check the numbers that are present before x square and this constant. What is the quotient of x square? 6. And what is the constant? 15. So what we need to do, we have to break these numbers into such a way that by adding you should get this 19. By adding you should get 19 and by multiplying you should get 90. Listen once again. If you multiply the factors, you should get 90. If you add the factors, you should get 19. Like that, you should break this 6 into 15. So what are the factors of 6? 2 into 3. What are the factors of 15? 5 into 3. Clear? So if you add 6 and 15 you cannot get because it's 21. So wrong. That is the thing, I split like this. So what do? I multiply this 5 and 2. 10. 3 and 3. 9. If you add 10 and 9 you get 19. Understood? If you add this 10 and 9, you get 19. So what we do, we break this 19x as 10x plus 9x. What do? We break this 19x as 10x plus 9x plus 15. What is common between these two terms? Here you have 2 and x. So take 2x. Take 2x. Here what will be left? 3x will be left. Plus here what will be left? 5 will be left. And from these two again you take 3 common. From these two, you take 3 common. What you get? 3x plus 5. See, here you have 3x plus 5. Here also you have 3x plus 5. Take 3x plus 5 common. Here what will be left? 2x will be left. Here plus 3 will be left. So, what are the factors of 6x square plus 19x plus 15? 3x plus 5 into 2x plus 3. Let me explain once again. What we should do? We have to take the quotient of x square and this constant 6 into 15. So what we should do? We have to find the factors in such a way. By multiplying you should get 90. By adding you should get what? 19. So the factors of 90 are 10 into 9. So what I did, I broke this 19x into 10x plus 9x. And from these two factors I have taken 2x common. So when I took 2x common, I got 3x plus 5. And from these two I took 3 common. So in the bracket I got 3x plus 5. So 3x plus 5 common I have taken. Here 2x and here plus 3. So like this we can find the factors of a given polynomial. So now let us take another question. 10m square minus 31m minus 132. We have to find the factors. Clear? So as per the first question, we should take 132 into 10. You have to break this into such a factors that by multiplying we get 1320 and by adding we should get 31. Clear? Sign also we should check. So let us break these two. So 6 into 22 into 5 into 2. 6 into 2 into 11 into 5 into 2. I take these two. 11 5 is 55. And what are the remaining? 6 4 is 24. You see, here you have minus sign and here you have minus sign. So one of these two factors should be, sign should be minus and other one should be plus. So let us take minus 55 and plus 24. Let us take minus 54 and plus 24. Minus 55 and plus 24. Then by adding minus 25 plus 20, minus 55 plus 24, you get minus 31. If you multiply, you get. So break this 31m into minus 55m plus 24m. So from this you can take 10m common. Sorry, 5m. Take 5m common. So here 2m will be left. Here 11 will be left. And from these two you take 12 common. How much? 12 common. Clear? How much you get here? 2m. And how much you get here? Minus 11. So here 2m minus 1 common. 2m minus 11 common. So here 5m will be left. And here plus 12 will be left. So the factors of 10m square minus 31m minus 132 is this one, the factors. Clear? So your next sum reads like this: 12x square plus 11x plus 2 12x square plus 11x plus 2. That means, what is this number? 12. What is this? 2. That means if you multiply, you should get 12 into 3, 2. That means 24. And if you add, you should get 11. So like that you should break 3 into 4 into 2. Let us see, 4 to the 8 and 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So we can break this 11x as 8x plus 3x plus 2. So from these two you take 4x. From these two you take 4x common. So now here what will be left? 3x. Here what will be left? 2. And from these two you have to take 1 common. 3x plus 2. So here you have 3x plus 2. Here you have 3x plus 2. If you take 3x plus 2 common, then here you get 4x. Here you get plus 1. So the factors of 12x square plus 11x plus 2 are 3x plus 2 and 4x plus 1. I think you understood. Again tomorrow I come up with some new problems. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.